Who doesn't like a shortcut? It could be on any Microsoft package. It can be on Canva. It can be anything that you use your mouse on. Let me show you a shortcut that actually may save you seconds. But in the long run, a couple of seconds may just save a couple of hours eventually, right? Let me show you what I mean by that. So here we have a simple telephone icon. We can highlight the icon, and to see what we can do with the icon, we can obviously go up to the top there, or we can click the three dots here to see all of this. However, there's also an easier thing. You don't have to click this first. You can simply just hover with your mouse over it so that it's highlighted, and then right click. And immediately you've got all of those information or options available for you that you would have by clicking those three dots once you've selected it. So not a massive save, but a save nonetheless. So instead of first clicking it, three dots and decide, just hover, right click, and it's there. Like I say, not a massive save, but a save nonetheless. Go and have fun. Right click and see what you end up with.